Want to create an account for Golf Masters? Then you're on the right video. So without any further delay, let's get started. First thing first, move into Safari. In the address bar, you have to search for Golf Masters Sign Up. Now simply head over to the very first site to create an account. So in this page, you will be able to create an account for Golf Master. In order for you to create, first thing first, you have to enter the first name. Once entered, enter the last name. Now simply enter the email address which is active and you use mostly. Once you have entered, now create a password for your Golf Master account. Once you have created the password, re-enter the password for the confirmation. Once done, click on this checkbox and click on Sign Up. Tap on Save Password or Not Now. Now you will receive one verification mail on your email address that you have entered. Simply move into that mail. So this is the mail that you have received. Click on Verify My Email Address. You can select Chrome. Wait for a while for it to load once again. And there you go, your account has been created successfully. Now simply enter the email address and the password and then you will be logged in into your account. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.